Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. This is Marty Grunder from Grunder Landscaping Company and the Grow Group. Those of you that follow me, maybe you're new to following us, I'm a big proponent of setting your trucks up right from the start. Now listen, little background. I'm 58 years old. This is my 42nd year in business. My trucks did not look like this when I was 25 years old getting my business off the ground, but they do now, all right? This is part of our business plan. We buy new trucks, we run them till basically they fall apart, we depreciate them. If we end up with a bunch of repairs or whatever, we ship them, we buy a new one. But the big thing I want to focus with you on today is you see these boxes. Now you might be thinking, Marty, I can't afford boxes like this. There's drips in our businesses, folks, and one of the drips is the loading and unloading of equipment in the morning. You do that every morning and you do that every night. And then the tools, we don't know where they are, we don't know who's responsible for them, no one's held accountable for them, so on and so forth. It's a great idea to set trucks up. So as you grow your business, maybe you have an older truck, it's a used truck, but try to set it up. So this truck right here it's boxes. This is an EB aluminum bed, and you can see the boxes. It's got everything in them, a chop saw, the fuel, the seed, the herbicides, the things that they need. And so every morning, the team leader is not focused on, do I have my gasoline? Do I have my seed? Do I have my shovels? Do I have my weed eater? Do I have a blower? It's all in there. And same thing goes here with this box. So inside there is a weed eater. There's a multi-tool here. There's hedge trimmers. Yes, all these trucks have this stuff. It is expensive, but how much does it cost to run a tool out to somebody on a job site? It's just those drips, folks, and we do those things, and we just, poof, there goes $100, there goes $200. This is a Kenworth. It's our typical setup on our hardscaping and large landscape construction truck. If you have more questions, come see us at one of our field trips. We've got them throughout the summer and the fall. Over 500 companies have been through. I know I can help you. Come spend a day with me. It's a lot of fun, and I'll help you change your perspective on your business. Have a great day.